Well, I think it's very impressive in terms of the technology that's here, and I think that it is occupying a space that's very critical in South Africa, because we haven't been manufacturing many of these products in our own country. We've been having fully imported products, but also it's in the East London Industrial Development Zone. I think it shows that this zone can host high quality investments in leading technology companies. So hopefully it will enhance the reputation of the Industrial Development Zone. And then also it's going to create 1,000 new jobs, which is important. And finally, it's a black-owned company. So I think it's an investment that is very significant for us in government at a number of levels. And I'm pleased that we've been able to come in and support it through the much smaller program as the Black Industrialist Program. They got an incentive grant of 50 million rand from us, and then 355 million rand, which we supported the infrastructure here in the Special Economic Zone.